Ene de ya nsɛm a ɛbobo free ɛyɛ Manhyia. No nti na mohumu nua Ken sɛ meda mo screen so. Mo a mo hwɛ me free ɛyɛ YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, baby a hwɛ me free bia wo TV so. Bechiachi mo nyina na obeke Otumfuo tu kwan kakra. Obeduru ya nche ana abɔko nsensɛm. Ɛne wagye ho bekra wɔtena so from the 28th na akosi here the 1st of this particular month ya yiwum ya. Na ene Asetena, Kumasi Traditional Council Tenase, and Sembe in the sea, and also when we go to the Asante Mampong Council as well, and Sembe in the Kupimu Otumfuo. My money till Mount, not Manhyia will then come our car a wet trino, Mefa and Twaso. So, according to the details, I'm in your free Manhyia a report, they see who be ad. The Jamunia King, the Wamanfua, Senanum Tenasia, Omcotinemu be tea, dear Coswo, now one report for my yet me the brew. Why the account so according to the information that I got, Kumasi Traditional Council led by hene in the Kumasi Traditional Council and hene ni di anymore here to inform Asante hene what happened in his absence. They also informed him about the major scene at a Doom Blue Light fire incident. It in ananomo amoye Kumasi Traditional Council members led by hene team kopiem report no mechanic kakra ma we are the first in omo etimi de see jakese to eye edum no afi no mutimi de see no ehu de wo akoma eye something into officially and then Asante hene etie wonim said the normal see eye adwuma e wa Asante memu so officially afi no Otumfuo atie any other things be here in his absence Manhyia any Kumasi mantamu be bia no omudi kobo no ye toso bio then to Asante man offenso hene led a delegation to inform Otumfuo about the demise of Asante Mampong hene eti ene the Asante Man Council so led by offenso hene offenso hene ne odi Asante Man Council nim and omonso officially the Asante Mampong hene a wafiri mu no da sebro sebo so toso mi no omode koto Asante hene nim officially that is the council omu say Asante Mampong hema edikan akoba amane but said the system ni city wa Asante Man Council officially na nanom so edi ato nanim officially enem Otumfuo has instructed Mampong hema to set a date for 1 week celebration. Otumfuo wa instructed Asante Mampong hema wa no I was say Asante Mampong hema wa command no omfa da wo mo beye Asante Mampong hene 1 week no emfa emre no nti Asante Mampong hene the 1 week celebration Otumfuo I instructed Asante Mampong hema say wo mo nkotena se don person ye 1 week no wo mo mfa mbre Otumfuo. And also the other information is he also commanded within 3 weeks for .ye eti eba the .ye no ankasa nso dia any Otumfuo instructed within 3 weeks wo pese wo mu ye bibi and so and I'm sure something is doing all these things because of pese ye di obisi Asante Mampong in anem one interview. You know why? When you the India, okay, say, and I'm sure say when him say Ojura, nim Otumfuo ntimi ndi Ojura no. Abra ni nifa hene ni benkum hene nyina ye unavailable anaza baako unavailable. Nti no twen ya say sumeja ebeba no. Nti no twen ya Ojura ni ntia. Nti officially say sumeja hene aba na nka kwan adam ni eba be di Ojura. Eno ni say the big misfortune na Asante Mampong hene etwa nani. And so Ashe dan. He also commanded Mampong hema that after the year he needs a new chief for Mampong before the Ojura commence. So nti Otumfuo kache Asante Mampong hema. You know how Otumfuo love Asante Mampong hene and Asante Mampong hema, and he believes that nana hema betumi ayesa no ma we nyina nti wanfa nche obi ansa. He heard that really say omo modern say eja obesa pair obi for Friday ni besi Asante Mampong akonya so enim he ya ansa kra no wedu Ojura enu nim se Ojura no so de ye nim enche kra ho details aka nyina munwa Ken me bebre mo eno so na me kai mo so kopie mu ewo UK Coventry hema ene nanano mo aka ebedi afasha no wode abochi afasha ne ma Asante Man no I'm telling you ye dear about this time you see me the details in my some mudu wo UK no ankopie mu bi de ne wa wasem sabe obi bu za se kinda be me di date ne bebrɛw anode ano me say yɛ dɛ ɛdian kasa na ho bɛyɛ dɛ ayɛ butubutu ayɛ gigagiga banko pie mu oji wo UK dia twɛn sɛ on my next video me the details on fashion ebepie mu ɛwɔ UK no and so ebeba ba betudwa. And also when it comes to Bawku nsensem no I'm sure say mumududu na with the beautiful thing ekoso ɛwɔ Bawku since say Otumfuo tena nsem no so wasn't come the details we abramo da but munya ken my busy kakra that I'm trying some the details bebramo especially nananom nsem AP free mention on say Bawku nsem no if we so Otumfuo tena so kan from the 28th you could see the first of May. You know, Cassie was sorry in some no but what the dean. I realize it. And in young teens, you when as well. But what you say form as you can't send me, I'm telling you. But every day, be a said you need a tisse and a nippe be woo and it will be bobby to a bad time she will be. But what you say form? Miss politicians. Fiana man called Trigano or ma. And that day, Miss Remo, Fiana man called Trigano or ma. Mo amuto tuo ma afa edi bone hwe na ma anko trigger no ma sumbia ye hu obokoro mo man nka wa mo amuso oja ne gu mu no mo ntena se na nananom nka o masem boko eye de man pruse ne kusase eni Asante man nyina eye abusua baako odo no a siremufo ne asantefo de wodi so odo no a enu ntina Asante hene ukopie mo Manhyia odi enuanom siremufo na atwa ne ho ahia itimesere we adani busua sem Asante any stream ye busua hwe na politicians and form ho akwajim asumdia ababoko no is enough and I love it. I don't wake up anymore and I'm hearing news of nsem ye esi woboko no bi bitimi nya video bi na me ma hye mentimi eba sensem a ye hu no woboko nyina na ye de brema nke bi be kola o mo hwe me nke bi be collapse anaju yetimi ko hye obi ni na busua die na ekoso no ye kuma srafo ni ye kuma police for the total number of people wo mawu oboko ntokwa na ho se kase the real figure na ebe wo ye mesho de ba bonten ne de abaya kata so se na be ya enkokọ so panic e wo society ni mu Otumfuo tena so kan ye no aso diabo and I'm happy. I don't want to wake up and I hear say obi akotrigger bibi sa peace na endure no eba no aye penisa politicians. Can man fam musu ankwa akoje nsem yemo. We shouldn't make politics out of this issue. On this platform, you can't politics why you can't nsem but consem we shouldn't make politics out of this issue. And common mood. Shouldn't make politics out of this issue. Say the union who see here Otumfuo nti obe pie Ghana no wanyina ho mekra no kwatina bokonsam so. Look at the beautiful treatment or the union will go through. Convoy dinana no wenim sa a day before now we share inside of a year that is Otumfuo was 82 Jubilee Hall no say the Otumfuo CC ho man ananom. It was very beautiful. That proved a lot of respect to Otumfuo and woma nananom. Intimisremo, like when you look at this, let me get you some of the photos of said na ho. It's Otumfuo CC Otumfuo 82 the second Jubilee Hall. This is some of the photos as you are seeing on your screen. Said here Otumfuo CC ho golden seats. Me say then golden seats. No say nananom mo metena so ni yenkan asem. And I'm not saying no more can one myself. The message politicians, Fiana man from Juanco Namudi Musuonwa. You see, yes, share other view also. I pay more. So say Nananam say, so comfortable. We share this side in Israel. I'm sure say I had other faction, no better na ha. Na other faction, a better na ha. No matter say come, it inside ho. Beautiful seat. For protection sake in the BB chat. Send a beer, BB chat when she has a beer before any hit here. And son, I better we are by military day. I grab it. Now, I should be any BB answer to me. Come on. So, this is the general view where copy more. I brought more car a so the left and the right. What means the deep within no far no utimu se nkonya mienu be single one BC single ones BC left and right enti ho ana mo a mo be kama asem nananom mienu no ye frɛ ba akosi ha na ye frɛ ba akwasi ha we hwe we enim na we hwe we enim ni esiesi asem na kama but ba akodi kan by a day and the other faction came on another day and the third day and I'm sure saying nkonya na asetena ye BBC they have the two faction and the side of view but I didn't you know other details be pop up into Otumfuo and to me and can't say because there was a lot of revelations via Bobo Eba. The Kusasis are saying say officially the people of Mampusi is also trying to say those say yomo the ampo any di can see hine was assassination first and then the omu claim a year hine was one masas went to me and shashan and animal she be anto so say hindi yeah be she to so some time ago dear na ma ba beji every year in Sadia we are fighting so the issue is bigger than what we see ebinum are not fighting for just the title of the lands ebinum are fighting for the title of stool in Konya see it's in 7 mudu in 7 mudu we nya asase ne nkwa ho ntokwa in Konya any asase this is a big topic the 2427 na said that's all best out na so but politicians the peace I enjoy obokono we enjoy wa in percent to be people whatever whether it was completed issue by Otumfuo or not sort na so kan every and now one can you know I say me to asha dan ye message mo ne say peace na ye hu na efe mama peace no enkoso so these are the details free Manhyia eba nana mo komode dom wo ma wo ye ntwa ye ho ni nkotie ensase bi e ho nkoma anana ese wo nti do a wo do nti wo de cheap price one kan ho na price na skyrocket dia ene ye wa me ntwa ye ho message pass asia Sabram no ka say few minutes from Kwakumenu, few minutes from baby Kwakumenu no rare estate no a dear 30 way internet to baby. Few minutes from there. I am medoma, a dancing medoma. Nanano or hodomono, I will tones are sending very cheap price. Me no ka say. Just last 2 months, not in Sasan and Ananas would channel a year from 18,000, 180 million. Within few weeks now, I call 20,000. And that's never for power. A few weeks later, I'm not can say, Sabra, I'm not can say, I jumped from 20,000 now to 25,000. You know why? Because investors amount for more prince as no and Yansam Ketua. It is a open Sassini Biatwa. I dance from there to Kumasi is less than 50 minutes drive. Ha, what I say. And from there to Baby Kwakumenu, a estate $900,000 in Kudu. Just less than I think 20 minutes or so. Very close. Because from there going to Baby Kwakumenu project, you know, the same jurisdiction. What I say is inti friend number no who screen so me am no be kasa be connect to nana na we de nana no o nya okoto afri busu apanyin bia ho nana no so akosku adu akire ah one na won young guy a wo de bie kokoro mu akire kuro so imagine sa dan so meduma hene such a young person na wo che se be to asase wo no ho a nana enye karabuli bia wasa akosku adu akire contact me link you to nana na die nana di so adu ho de kokodom no eja closer to Kwakumenu mu nyina maboa me akire Ghana sasene boka se wan frɛ anye wo de wiase kɔ n'animi na nsasene kodu 50,000 ntumi nka bi ma wonyi ti kan ho ansa na nsasene asa enti we ni ensem a currently ebobo free Manhyia na munia Ken me de ababa betuja fe no officially ensem a esi ye ewo adum no ye de ato something nanim and Asante Mampong hene ensu free mu nso ho hyehya Otumfuo de ababa betuja ana machichi mu achie wo no I mean nobody in case of any update business share on our next video macrow
K1ng oh boy Juma we did the Jacob so now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic so now see commentary news in the bar so now see commentary for on we so good keep on going
and the style also the other tribe aflow uni sorted India temne that's how becano it's so painful I know shit I don't know say Uncle commentary like or you as a presenter sports presenter that they are and we name maybe our Uncle strength free but it's all good oh yeah the K1ng modern K1ng will try pa